Good afternoon. Welcome to Visonia Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi,
Hi.
I have a reservation to furnish. The name is Axel de Luna.
Okay. Let me check, please. Okay. Yes, Mr. Luna. I see you reservation for one night in standard room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. May I please see your ID or credit card for the check-in, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, everything looks good. Check out is tomorrow at 11 a.m. Do you need help with your luggage?
Sure, here you go.
All right, here is your room. Okay, your room is tier 3 or 5 in the tier floor. The level is just around the corner.
No, thank you. I only have one suitcase. Thanks. Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, I does. The network name is the Sony West and the password is Sony 2025.
Perfect. Oh, one more time is breakfast.
Okay, the breakfast is the server from the 7 and 10 a.m. in the restaurant is in the first floor.
Go eat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, sorry to bother you. The air condition and my room is still working.
Oh no, I'm sorry about that. Let me call Denise right away. Can you wait in your room for about 10 minutes, please?
Okay, yes, no problem.
Thank you for your pertinence. We'll fix it as soon as possible.
Thanks a lot.
A lot.